Finding a job or doing a business is very similar to dating each other.
I think within 2 to 3 days of the job getting posted, if you apply, you get the first mover's advantage there.
One day I apply to 50 jobs, then I disappear for 10 days. 5 episodes, 5 employees, 5 industry experts. Real career challenges, real solutions.
I always tell people, never ask somebody else to make a decision about your life.
भेज दिया
Accidentally.
I faced
Accidentally.
I was so embarrassed at that moment.
Getting a job is not rocket science, to be honest.
I say I'm open to marketing, HR, sales, operations, strategy, content, and basically anything and everything. And the moment he uploads his resume, what Neo will do, and he sets his preferences, right? That these are his skills, these are the locations, these are the kind of job roles he's targeting.
Achha.
Neo AI Job Agent is, like I said, it's a game changer because it really helps you be one of the early applicants. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dhairya Decodes YouTube channel. I am very pleased to share that we are starting a very exciting new series and an IP called Career Ka Control Room. And this is going to be a series where we're going to be bringing in real people who face real problems when it comes to their job search. And we'll have real mentors and creators in every episode from the career, education, AI niche जो आएंगे आपकी problem solve करेंगे. And through this entire show, we'll try and help solve these problems practically through demos, through fun game segments, and a lot more. This is going to be a series completely made to help job seekers and working professionals with their job search related processes, whether it is resume related help or it is help with their interview process or finding the right job opportunities, becoming more visible, and a lot more. And I want to welcome you to Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room. In today's episode, joining us as the expert is Ishan Arora. Ishan is the founder of FinLadder and a very famous content creator on the internet with over 800k plus followers. He creates content in the career and education niche. He is also a TEDx speaker and he has mentored and guided a lot of students with their careers. Today, joining us as the candidate is Amrit Maheshwari.
Thank you so much.
He is a student of DU and he has completed his BA honors in history. Prior to this, he was working as a travel captain at a travel company. And currently, he works as a psychology tutor with an online and offline e-learning platform. So that's the intro and the setup for today's Career Ka Control Room setup. But we are going to start with understanding a little bit about Amrit and his background a bit more. So Amrit, welcome to Career Ka Control Room.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
So,
Hello, ma'am.
Hi Amrit.
Perfect. Amrit, why don't we start with understanding, as I decoded the problem, you have a Naukri profile. You told me that you've also uploaded your resume and your picture and everything's right there. So what are you currently using your Naukri profile for? Like what is your current use case? What do you do when you go to Naukri?
Let me be very honest. So I just uploaded a resume, made my profile like a year ago, and उसमें अपने educational qualifications resume upload करके बस I just left it like that.
कुछ नहीं किया उसके बाद.
Tried but कभी मौका नहीं मिला.
Okay.
Yeah, to be honest, यहाँ पे I would like to jump in. So when you said यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मौका नहीं मिला कभी, what do you mean by that? मौका नहीं मिला as in?
मौका नहीं मिला as in मतलब मैं ज़्यादा explore नहीं कर पाया और maybe I was just busy. I was not active there. मतलब
Not active on the platform और explore नहीं किया क्या? Features explore नहीं किया platform के?
कुछ भी explore नहीं किया. Just
So,
made a profile like
I'll tell
just
you
the very
something.
first step.
मतलब बस प्रोफाइल बनाई,
हाँ.
अपलोड कर दिया रेज्यूमे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
तो जितनी भी मेरी कॉन्वर्जेशंस होती है ना, आज तक कितने भी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मेरी कॉन्वर्जेशन हुई हो व्हेन इट कम्स टू करियर काउंसलिंग या मेंटरिंग, आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, ये एक बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है. हम जाते हैं वेरियस जॉब प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे. फॉर एग्जांपल आप नौकरी पे गए, अब आपने वहाँ पे देखा कि यार बहुत सारे जॉब्स है, बहुत सारी ओपनिंग्स है, आपने अपना रेज्यूमे अपलोड कर दिया, अपनी प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट कर दी. नाउ द थिंग इज़ कि जब हमारे को स्टार्टिंग में मोटिवेशन होती है ना, वी डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट उसके बाद में जैसे आपने बोला कि उसके बाद ना मैंने कभी प्रोफाइल अपडेट करी, ना कभी मैंने रेज्यूमे अपलोड किया दोबारा से, ना मैंने कभी फीचर्स चेक किए, एंड दैट इज़ वेयर एवरीबडी लूजेस मोमेंटम. क्योंकि हमने कभी उसके बाद कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश ही नहीं करी. वी आर लाइक कि हमने प्रोफाइल बना दी, अब जॉब ना खुद से हमारे पास चल के आने वाली है ऑन अ प्लैटर. जो कि नहीं ही होता है.
Yeah.
सो आपका काम है कि यार अगर मैंने प्रोफाइल बना दी, मैंने रेज्यूमे अपलोड कर दिया है, वी कीप ऑन अपडेटिंग दैट, वी कीप ऑन एक्सप्लोरिंग द प्लेटफॉर्म. साथ ही साथ जो भी नई ओपनिंग्स है वहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करते रहें, और साथ साथ थोड़ा कस्टमाइज्ड रेज्यूमे बनाए, थोड़ा हम जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़कर रेज्यूमे बनाए ताकि हमारे कीवर्ड्स मैच हो. ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें लोग करते नहीं हैं. अब जब हम वो नहीं करते तो हमको लगता है कि मार्केट में जॉब नहीं है, और हमारे ही आसपास के लोग जॉब्स ले रहे होते हैं. कोई 15 लाख की, कोई 20 लाख की, कोई 30 लाख की भी ले रहा होता है. सो द मेन पॉइंट इज कि जॉब प्लेटफॉर्म पे, पोर्टल पे जाकर रेज्यूमे अपलोड करना, अपनी प्रोफाइल बनाना इज ओनली द फर्स्ट स्टेप, नॉट द फाइनल स्टेप. तो जितना आप ज़्यादा उसको एक्सप्लोर करोगे, उसके फीचर्स जितना आप अपडेट करोगे, जितना आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन पे ध्यान दोगे, उतने ही आपके चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग नॉट ओनली अ जॉब बट अ जॉब दैट यू वांट वो बढ़ते चले जाएंगे. सो दैट इज वन रिकमेंडेशन व्हाइल यू आर टेलिंग मी दिस.
Yeah, no, that's a very deep insight, and thanks Ishan for jumping in. I think Amrit, I'm not very sure, but like you said, आपने resume तो upload किया था, but have you ever gone back to your Naukri profile and tried to look for relevant jobs when you were doing your job search, and even tried to tweak your resume, or let's say even explore other features on the platform? I'm not sure. Like, do you know they have a AI agent called Neo, or
Wow.
do you know about Naukri 360? Where it helps you prepare for interviews. There's an AI-powered mock interview preparation tool. You have an AI-powered resume maker. And then there are freelancing opportunities, there are remote opportunities. If I'm not wrong, you're currently doing a freelance role, the psychology tutor role, right? So a lot of people also have a misconception, Ishan, कि नौकरी पे सिर्फ full-time jobs होती हैं. Right?
Exactly.
And then they feel अगर full time job opportunity नहीं है मैं apply ही ना करूँ.
Exactly.
And they stop exploration, right? But he is himself doing a freelancing role.
That
You
is
can-
good, by the way.
Which is
That is
great.
very nice.
Which I really encourage.
Exactly.
Right? And also you should look for remote jobs. So all of this is there. So I'm assuming ये सब आपने अभी explore नहीं किया है.
और ये ना I'll tell you one more thing, धैर्य और मेरे टाइम पे था भी नहीं.
नहीं था.
ये जो
Yeah.
AI का एकदम से चेंज आया है, AI मॉक इंटरव्यूज, यू आर गेटिंग फ्रीलांसिंग गिग्स एंड ऑल, हमारे टाइम पे था ही नहीं.
Yeah.
फॉर अस देयर वाज नो नथिंग लाइक अ मॉक इंटरव्यू. हमारे लिए जो हम कंपनी के सामने दे रहे हैं इंटरव्यू, दैट वाज द फाइनल इंटरव्यू,
True.
पहला भी और आखिरी भी. तो नाउ यू हैव सो मेनी फीचर्स दैट यू कैन एक्सप्लोर, जिससे आप कहते हो ना कि यार हम पेपर से पहले प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम देते हैं, दिस इज योर प्रैक्टिस एग्जाम. इंटरव्यू तक के लिए और गेटिंग अ मॉक इंटरव्यू, तो हमारे टाइम पे ये सब था ही नहीं. तो जितना आप इसको एक्सप्लोर करोगे उतना ही ऑफ यू, एज शी सेड, नॉट ओनली द चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग अ फुल टाइम जॉब बट ऑल्सो द चांसेस ऑफ यू गेटिंग अ रिमोट जॉब या फिर द फ्रीलांसिंग एक्टिविटीज, वो सब बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, जो कि आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो, बट यू कैन गेट इवन बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज.
Right. So, as Ishan rightly mentioned, you should definitely go down this route and follow what he has mentioned. But we'll obviously get into your Naukri profile, Amrit. Me and Ishan will personally review it. But before that, I think you have your resume with you. We wanted to just quickly also look at your resume, because one and the first step of building a Naukri profile is uploading your resume there, right? And I'm assuming आपने पिछले एक साल में update नहीं किया है आपका resume. So I'm sure it needs
अभी
some
कर
kind
देंगे.
of guidance. अभी हम
अभी कर
review कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा उसको. So if we can have your resume, please.
Wow,
Amrit.
learning from the best.
Yes, please.
कैन वी हैव योर रेज्यूमे एक बार?
Yeah.
So yeah, first of all, even before I jump into anything else, आपके पास ना ये पूरा A4 साइज शीट होती है when you are making this resume. अगर आपको लगता है I'm still young, I don't have a lot of experience या कुछ भी, and you are making this, तो आप font size बढ़ा दो, but try to cover it
Cover दो.
right till the end. ये एक बहुत जरूरी
White
point है.
spaces ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए on all four corners.
तो अभी आपने शायद फॉन्ट साइज 11 यूज़ किया, फॉन्ट का जो साइज है वो 11 यूज़
10-11
किया है,
होगा.
वो 12 कर दो, 13 कर दो, ताकि वो यहाँ तक आ जाए. मेक इट अ फुल पेज. ये एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है. इसके अलावा यू माइट नो कि एक रेज्यूमे को हमारा कोई भी रिक्रूटर बहुत देर के लिए नहीं देखता. कोई 6 सेकंड बोलता है, कोई 8 सेकंड बोलता है. सो ट्राई टू मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर क्वांटिटेटिव एंड लेस क्वालिटेटिव. मतलब इसके अंदर
I
by the
feel
way,
even in the professional summary, I don't see any numbers or
Yeah.
quantification of anything.
exactly.
He might as well skip it and add more numbers and just have an experience section, or make it a little more customized to what you've been doing, because it's very generic at
बिकॉज
this point.
आपने ना एक्सपीरियंस में डाले तो 5 चीज़ें विच इज़ ब्रिलियंट टू बी
हाँ,
वेरी ऑनेस्ट
हाँ.
फॉर अ गाय ऑफ योर एज. बट इसके अंदर ना मुझे एक ही जगह पे एक नंबर दिखा है, वो है 100%.
100%, yeah.
पांचों जगह पे मिला के देयर इज ओनली वन
One
नंबर,
data
जो कि
point.
कम से कम शायद 20-25 होने चाहिए थे एक जगह. सो यू कैन राइट अबाउट योर रिजल्ट्स. अगर आपने कॉलिंग करी है तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट था, अगर आपने एड चलाई तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट था, अगर आपने बच्चों को पढ़ाया है तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट था, कितनी इंप्रूवमेंट हुई है. यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स इन अ क्वांटिटेटिव मैनर, जो कि इसमें नहीं है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट.
Ishan, would you like to give some feedback, because since this is his current role, the psychology tutor bit, and I'd like to point out आपका current role हमेशा top पे होना
Exactly,
चाहिए
I
in
was coming to
chronology
this
order.
also.
Yeah, it's like the second last one, which is technically also incorrect and misleading. It should be on top because सबसे पहले recruiter पहला current role ही
Exactly.
देखेगा. So why don't we help him with how he can make his bullet points better for the tutor role also?
Yeah, I think of course you have to go in the right chronological order.
Yeah.
Present वाला बीच में है, then एक और जो पुराना है वो यहाँ पे है, फिर एक
Yeah.
उससे पुराना थोड़ा ऊपर
ऊपर है।
है. So you have to put it in the right order ताकि recruiter को भी पता रहे कि अभी ये कर रहा था, उससे just पहले ये, उसके बाद ये, सबसे पहले सबसे नीचे, something like that, so that I don't have
I
to.
had in mind, sorry to
No,
interrupt,
no,
but
no,
what I
please.
had in mind was कि मुझे लगा कि जो भी weightage ज़्यादा रखता है I'll keep that on top, so that will be more beneficial for me.
I get what you're saying,
I get it
but
too, yeah.
you have to always ethically and technically, wherever you're working as per timelines, that will have to go in that chronological order on a resume,
Okay.
right? Because it can be considered as lying on your resume, can be.
The same applies on your education also ना यार. आपने पहले
Yeah.
कॉलेज का लिखा, फिर 12th लिखा, फिर
हाँ.
10th लिखोगे. Just because मेरे 10th में ज़्यादा आया था तो मैं उसको 12th के ऊपर नहीं लिखूंगा
नहीं
यार.
रखोगे, हाँ.
So you have to go in the chronology in that sense. That is fine.
But मुझे वापस
हाँ, वापस
इसमें
से.
ये लगता है कि what he did मुझे इससे पता नहीं चल रहा है. What results has he brought in
True.
his workplace? I just know, okay, you've written, you managed and educated senior batches, translating complex psychology theories into structured lessons. ठीक है. We understood your role and we understand mota moti everyone knows what a psychology tutor does. What results were you able to bring for them? What else did you do? If you can give us some context, then we can probably also help you frame like a bullet point and how you can change it.
कोई भी रिजल्ट्स कैन यू टेल अस राइट नाउ कि
Yeah.
यार इस जगह पे मैंने 6 महीने में
हाँ.
या अभी चलो 3-4 महीने में इतना काम किया
किया
था.
है.
तो वी कैन जस्ट कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू सम लाइन.
I'll just share that अभी recently 12th का result आया था and
हाँ.
one of not the one मतलब majority of my students got 100%.
Oh,
ये यहाँ पे
100%.
क्यों
तो ये
नहीं
क्यों
है?
नहीं लिखा है? That's
If you
it's
just
not a small
write
achievement.
Yeah, it's a big
That
achievement.
80% of my students got 100% marks.
Exactly.
This is a line that will just show कि आप कितना अच्छा पढ़ाते हो किसी को भी.
Yeah, 5 out of 10 students, 6 out of 11 of them got 100 percentile in so and
That
so
you have
exam.
great teaching skills.
Yeah,
Because जहाँ पे आपने सॉफ्ट स्किल्स लिखा है वहाँ पे कहीं पे टीचिंग स्किल्स नहीं है.
नहीं है.
बट ये लाइन पढ़ते ही मैं समझ जाऊंगा यार ये बंदा तो बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाता है.
ना psychology है, which is in a way his core skill right now.
True.
वो भी नहीं है in a skill section, है ना?
True.
And you also innately are good with management because I don't know if you noticed, Ishan, he has a very nice mix.
Yeah.
He has done freelancing also, which he's doing. And then he worked at this travel company as a travel captain. That was a full-time role. Currently, he's also helping his father in his business as a management associate.
Lovely.
So he's doing a managerial role there also. So actually, if he wants to show, there's a very nice way that we can package it and show his
Yeah.
multidisciplinary skills.
That too at this age ना you have done a lot of diversified roles.
Yeah.
ताकि आपको ना काफी आसानी रहेगी आगे जाके पिक करने में कि मुझे फाइनली क्या करना है.
हाँ.
So मैं तो हमेशा सबको ये रेकमेंड करता हूँ कि यार 18 से लेके 21-22 की एज इज द एज वेयर यू कैन एक्सप्लोर अ लॉट. रिस्क ले सकते हो, एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन फाइनली फिगर आउट कि मुझे ये करना है. A lot of people what they do is कि 18 की एज में CA शुरू कर दिया, 19 की एज में JEE शुरू कर दिया और उसको ज़िंदगी भर करते रहते हैं, लास्ट में वो भी नहीं होता एंड देन दे रियलाइज कि मुझे तो ये करना ही नहीं था. So I think it's lovely that you have explored a lot.
Yeah.
But now I think once you have done that, you can explore further or maybe you can choose a field and then
Just
carry on.
realize it's one of my strengths. आज से पहले मैं weakness समझ रहा था. मुझे लगा कि मैं कर
नहीं,
क्या
it's
रहा
a
हूँ.
strength.
नहीं,
I did
it's
some
always
work
a
there.
strength.
I did some work
Diversified
there.
experience is
Yeah.
great.
Okay.
Yeah. And I mean, that's why I mentioned that since you've done freelancing, you've also helped your father in his business and you've done a full-time role. You can, in fact, further leverage Naukri to its fullest because you have all options available, right? Whether you want to go ahead and prepare for an interview tomorrow, right? And if you're looking for a new job, or you want to just prepare for interviews, or you want to just not actively apply, but you want to set Neo, the job agent, to do the auto application for you, right? Because what it will essentially do, Ishan, also for context,
Yeah.
let's say Amrit goes, he uploads his resume, he can use one of the templates from Naukri 360 also, make a AI powered resume. And the moment he uploads his resume, what Neo will do, and he sets his preferences, right? That these are his skills, these are the locations, these are the kind of job roles he's targeting.
अच्छा.
ये enter कर दिया. After that, अपने आप Neo, what it will do is, firstly, it will increase his visibility in the job market, because he'll ensure that whenever there's a job opening, he's one of the first early applicants. So you'll get notified, Amrit, on your phone or on the app itself that, hey, you should apply to so and so job. They've just put up a job opening. So your chances of getting selected increase. Then it will also automatically customize your resume as per that job role. ठीक है? So वो भी आप कर सकते हो, but बाकी I think overall.
And just one last point,
Yeah.
you should also put your marks.
Yeah.
So class 12th you have written, class 10th you have not written. Write that also when it comes to your college की भी CGPA you have to write.
Yeah.
So you have to mention, मतलब class 12 तो यार सब करते ही हैं if you are doing a graduation, but कितने marks आए थे आपके? There's a difference between 99% and 80%.
Yeah.
तो ये भी लिखने ज़रूरी है, is
Right.
what I feel.
I also feel if you have any kind of certifications or projects that you worked on during college or even now, those can also be added if it makes sense, not just for the sake of it. And if there are any extracurricular activities or achievements, that section can also be added, जो अभी
Yeah.
नहीं है. Yeah.
I think you're just a little short on extracurriculars and a little short on some extra courses.
Courses, yeah.
आपका जो experience section है that is really nice, but education section is a little short.
Yeah. And data needs to be added, like Ishan
Data, of
pointed
course.
out in the beginning.
Data, of course. Data is important. Super
Like we
important.
discussed in earlier कि मैंने कुछ भी update नहीं करा हुआ है.
हाँ.
It's just that I have a lot on my plate, but I have not
Not
mentioned it down
Yeah,
there.
now you can do it. I hope this is going to be the main part जहाँ से आप उसको update.
Noted.
Okay, so that was the resume scan for Amrit. I hope, Amrit, you're able to go back, make these changes, and also then upload your updated resume on your Naukri profile. But with that, let's jump into actually going into Amrit's Naukri profile, Ishan.
Chalega.
We both can actually check it out live and see what all has he updated so far. He is already nervous. And let's see what better can he do so that his visibility on the platform
Of course.
increases and he can attract better opportunities for himself.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So we have finally landed on Amrit's Naukri profile.
Yes.
And while I can see a lot of things are not complete, but let's quickly review your profile. So I think Ishan and me will do a quick review of your Naukri profile live, Amrit. And let's see what feedback we can give you on the same. So starting with the first thing first, I think, what do you think about the profile picture, Ishan?
यार आई थिंक इट इज डिसेंट. मैंने इससे बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah.
कैजुअल फोटोज देखी
देखी
है,
है, हाँ.
बट दिस इज मोर लाइक अ साइड फेस्ड, कम्प्लीटली साइड फेस नहीं बट स्लाइटली. तो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि थोड़ा इसमें ना आपका बाल भी कट रहे हैं,
हाँ.
अगर आप ध्यान से देखो.
Your head is getting cut.
या सो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फेस, एंड आई लाइक दिस स्माइल ऑनेस्टली. थोड़े बाल ना कट रहे हो, and that can be better. I would rank it like 6 or 7 on 10.
On 10,
It can
yeah.
be 10 on 10. So there
A
is room
professional
for
headshot where you're
improvement.
looking straight into the
Exactly.
camera would be better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that
but
is
he's
one
in a
thing.
professional attire, so
Yeah.
marks for that. That's
Yeah.
good. I also feel that in terms of information, ठीक है, ये सब तो this is fine. You have updated this, but resume देख लेते हैं एक बार. You have uploaded your resume, right? It's the same file that we saw, right? So I think he'll have to update the resume.
But I think resume में आपने बहुत कुछ डाला था in your employment section. यहाँ
यहाँ
पे
पे नहीं है.
complete नहीं है. यहाँ पे
Correct.
सिर्फ 2 ही है.
Yes.
वहाँ पे 5 थे.
हाँ, वहाँ पे आपका एक्सपीरियंस,
Yeah.
द ट्रैवल कंपनी एक्सपीरियंस, साइकोलॉजी ट्यूटर भी आपने बहुत, यू हैव जस्ट मेंशन्ड द रोल, यू हैव नॉट एडेड एनी बुलेट पॉइंट्स, दैट्स ऑल
Yes.
मिसिंग. या
That is a big thing. Then वो ऐड करना है आपको. Again education के marks you have not entered. यहाँ पे तो I don't think यहाँ पे skills भी mentioned है.
नहीं है, ही इज नॉट एडेड द स्किल्स. प्रोजेक्ट्स भी नहीं है. प्रोफाइल समरी वाज आल्सो देयर इन द रेज्यूमे, दैट्स नॉट देयर हियर ईदर.
Like, can you just brief me a little? What's the profile summary about?
या
Yeah, the profile summary is basically a mix of your education, your skills, and a gist of your overall experience. Basically, अगर मैं पूछूँ यार, if I want to hire you right now, what do you bring to the table? That is a profile summary. कि यार ये बंदा कौन है? When you explain yourself, कि यार why should you hire me? मैं कौन हूँ? Who am I? That is a profile summary. In a, let's say, in a span of 2-3 lines, how do you explain yourself? What do I bring to the table? That is a profile summary. जितना उसको आप crisp और उसको जितना straight forward और जितना उसको interesting रखोगे for the recruiter, that will be better. But that is your profile summary, मोटा मोटा. And
I'll just add on.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
basically if you want like a framework or whatever, who are you, what do you do, and what kind of roles are you aspiring to get into are 3 questions you can try and answer. And when you say who are you, where are you currently working, what are the top 3 skills you have possessed, and what kind of roles or industry do you want to work in, इतना अगर आपने एक लाइन में बता दिया, that's your 2 to 3 line profile summary.
मतलब अपनी पोटेंशियल बताना
Yes.
in short.
Yeah.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स यार वी सेट दिस रेज्यूमे के टाइम पे भी कि रेज्यूमे थोड़ा सा इनकम्प्लीट है, प्रोफाइल इज अ ये वाला प्रोफाइल नौकरी वाला इज अ लिटिल मोर इनकम्प्लीट एज
Yes.
कंपेयर्ड टू दैट. इसको कंप्लीट करना
The accomplished, because there's so many sections,
Yeah.
right? He can add his accomplishments. If you have work samples also from different kinds of work you've done in the past, all of that can be added. Certifications were missing even in the resume. He
Yeah.
can add it here, right?
बहुत कुछ है इसमें तो ऐड करने को. लाइक इफ
Yes.
वी पिक सेक्शन बाय सेक्शन
तो बहुत कुछ है.
एटलीस्ट 8 to 9 जो हम वर्ड बाय वर्ड बता सकते हैं,
Yeah.
व्हिच यू कैन डायरेक्टली सी.
Right.
तो वो ऐड करो. जितने आप ऐड करोगे खाली छोड़ने से बहुत बेटर है ऐड
Yes.
करना.
Yeah.
सो प्लीज डू दैट, मच बेटर देन कीपिंग इट completely empty. एंड अदरवाइज पर्सनल डिटेल्स भी आपने ऐड नहीं करी है, डू दैट.
हाँ.
अदरवाइज एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वुड लाइक टू ऐड धैर्या?
I feel एक बार ऊपर scroll करना है शान.
जी.
If we can go down thoda. So also what I feel is, just one tip here, in the work sample section, if you've done any kind of, let's say if you've worked with a startup in the past also, the role you're working in with your father also, if you have something to show as a work sample, it's a great way to show proof of work today. Because चलो ये सब आप जाके आज update कर दोगे, resume भी है ही. If you have a basic digital presence, that's all fine. But it's good to have work samples today. So maybe create a work portfolio. It could be a simple Google Drive link. You could build it on different tools. It could be a website or it could be on a platform, right? Today you have so many AI tools that can literally build a landing page for you in minutes. But add that to show the diversity that you have in one place with results, with some kind of a better way to show it quantitatively or through images, graphs, because you can't do that always on a resume. So add the work sample section also here in the profile.
और यार ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है, बिकॉज देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन नौकरी की प्रोफाइल और योर रेज्यूमे. लाइक शी मेंशन्ड कि आप अपना वर्क सैंपल कभी भी अपने रेज्यूमे में नहीं डाल सकते. यू हैव अ पीडीएफ, यू हैव अ वेबसाइट,
Yeah.
यू हैव एनी यूआरएल, यू हैव एनी सैंपल प्रोजेक्ट, एक्सेल शीट, कुछ भी. यू कांट पुट इट देयर, बट हियर यू हैव द ऑप्शन टू डू इट. साथ ही साथ अगर मैं एक रिक्रूटर हूँ, ठीक है, आपने कोई भी कोर्सेज करे हैं, I can only see the theoretical part of it. I can only read it.
Yeah.
I can never understand कि आपने उस कोर्स को कितना ढंग से किया है. But if you put any work sample, कि कोई फाइनेंस का बंदा है, उसने फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग करा, उसका कोई फाइनेंशियल मॉडल डाल दिया. कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का बंदा है, उसने कोई रिपोर्ट डाल दी किसी मॉडल की. किसी ने कोई एड चलाई, उसकी रिपोर्ट डाल दी. सिमिलरली इफ़ यू आर अ ट्यूटर, या आपने साइकोलॉजी पढ़ाई है, आपने बच्चों का रिजल्ट शो कर दिया, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Even if it's a screenshot.
Even if it's a screenshot.
या आप किसी
as
बच्चे
basic
से
as a
वीडियो
screenshot.
टेस्टिमोनियल लेके भी अपनी एक प्रोफाइल बना के एक वर्क सैंपल बना दो. It says a lot, because even if 2 students come on camera and they say we
Exactly.
learned psychology from Amrit and we actually got XYZ marks on that, that is a bigger work sample than anything.
It will set you apart.
Yeah, it'll set you apart.
Completely. So work sample is something जो है सबके बीच में ही, but it will definitely put you aside from the crowd.
Yes, and skill section is very important, both in your, and please add a mix of soft skills and hard
Hard
skills.
skills, of course.
Both, yeah.
Okay,
So-
one thing I would like
Sure.
to ask. Majority times मेरे साथ क्या problem आती है? I feel that I can't find my niche. Like what sector should be my niche? Like you can see it on my resume and all. I'm so much exploring. I just need to find my niche. How can you help me with that?
If I have to give you one advice on that, generally when somebody asks me this question, this is a very common question for somebody of your age. पहला फैक्टर तो ये रहता है that you keep on exploring as much as you can. सबसे second part, which I personally tell anybody, because this is a personal mentoring thing, so it depends from mentor to mentor. I always tell people, never ask somebody else to make a decision about your life. मतलब अगर कोई मुझे 5 साल पहले बोलता कि ईशान तू ये मत कर, तू अपनी जॉब कंटिन्यू कर, या तू कंटेंट क्रिएटर मत बन, तू एक ट्यूटर बन जा फॉर एग्जांपल, तो शायद मैं अगर वो करता और मुझे उसमें खुशी नहीं मिलती, तो मैं शायद उस इंसान को ब्लेम करता जिसने मुझे रेकमेंड करी होती niche
I always say
career,
this too. I completely
profession.
agree with Ishan.
So
Yeah.
I would recommend that your role is to only explore and then see the thing that you are good at, number one, and then match it with your interest and the future prospect of that particular role. अगर आप किसी भी इंसान से, leave aside me or leave aside anybody who is there in your life, it can be your parents, your teachers, anybody, if you ever ask them कि मुझे क्या exactly करना है, you will probably get a lot of answers to it. But if you pick any answer and then you do not like it, then you will never be very content with what you are doing.
And your life also.
Exactly.
Ishan, जैसे we were looking at his profile, he said he wants to apply for creative roles, right? So we can go to the job search feature and find a job for him in the creative industry,
ठीक
right?
है, you can search for
मैंने
that
search
keyword,
कर
हाँ.
लिया creative से. So it's going to give me a list of curated jobs, right? Like you can see senior logo designer, content writer, graphic designer दिख रहा है. We can also choose remote, hybrid, whatever role you want. You have filters like location, experience, salary, industries. So
ठीक है.
all of that is available for you, Amrit. You can choose it depending on that. You can put in a range of salary you're expecting to. And then it'll just show you relevant jobs out of the pool of jobs that are there, right? That's one. Apart from that, it's also important to know, like I was telling you, there's invites, which is Naukri invites, Ishan. So obviously applying for jobs directly is one way, but he can also get invites from recruiters, and he can update his profile in this section to start receiving invites from recruiters. ठीक है? Baki, Neo AI Job Agent is, like I said, it's a game changer because it really helps you be one of the early applicants. So Amrit, you can go to the Neo AI Job Agent and then you can set in your preferences in terms of skills, what kind of roles you want to apply to, salary bracket, ये सब आप fill in कर दोगे. Then the agent will start working on scanning jobs that were posted today in real time, and it will show you the jobs which have just been posted in the last few hours at the top. Ki you can be one of the early applicants, Amrit, you should apply, right? So yeah, so like right now it's showing me there's a marketing and outreach manager opening at Amity University in Gurgaon, right? You can
Quite
apply to
relevant.
it. Very relevant to the kind of roles you want to move to, right? And then
Multiple
you
more.
can multiple more, and then you can save the job and it will auto apply, customize the resume for you and increase your visibility. You also have a Naukri 360 resume maker. It's an AI powered resume maker. So there are multiple templates that you can pick from. These are free to use. They are recruiter friendly. Indian recruiters love them because they have been, shortlisting profiles from here. And it's ATS friendly. You can use AI to also fill in your bullet points. I think Ishan aapne suggestion diya tha to make his data points more relevant.
थोड़े और
You
quantitative,
can, quantitative. So you can take the help of AI to reframe that also in your section in the AI resume maker. Baki, if you want to prepare for interviews, which everyone does, you have an AI mock interview preparation tool as well. And depending on the preferences you put, the kind of roles you want to apply to, it will create an entire question bank for you, customized for those roles, right? So like right now, it's working on preparing the question bank. For now, I've just, for instance, selected a random, industry, but you can pick when you will put in marketing, etc. in specific roles. आपको questions भी उन्हीं roles के लिए आएंगे, right? Like outreach manager, digital marketer, जो भी. Right now, for this cloud administrative role, it's personalizing and preparing questions. And then right before your interviews, you can take out 10 minutes and prepare for those interviews on the go.
Exactly.
Yeah. But any input, Ishan, on how you think he could leverage any of these features better, or what do you think is one feature Amrit should really focus on right now?
I think for me, mock interviews is something that I would love that if you can utilize it better, because we discussed two very important points जो interlink भी हो रहे हैं. एक तो you want creatives वाली field में ज़्यादा job opportunities, and साथ ही साथ you haven't done anything much in that. अब आपको वो वाला role चाहिए और उसके जब इंटरव्यूज होंगे तो वो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है और ना ही आपने ऐसे इंटरव्यूज कभी दिए हैं. सो इफ यू गिव मोर ऑफ दोज मॉक इंटरव्यूज तो उससे कॉन्फिडेंस भी आएगा एंड बहुत हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि यू विल बी एबल टू क्लियर दोज. तो आई थिंक दैट शुड बी द वन दैट आई वुड टेल यू टू यूज द मोस्ट. बट बाकी यार ऑनेस्टली सारे फीचर्स ही अच्छे हैं, तो यू कैन यूज ऑल ऑफ देम. रेज्यूमे के लिए भी, इनवाइट्स के लिए भी, और obviously mock interviews के लिए भी. तो use all, but
it's
mock
like a
interviews.
one-stop solution for me. That's all I needed.
Yeah, great. I just hope you go back and you're able to update your profile and work on everything. But yeah, that's our feedback on your Naukri profile. With that, we're going to be moving on to my favorite segment of the show always, which is the gamified segment. So Ishan and Amrit, we're going to be playing a very, very fun game for which we'll have to switch positions. So let's quickly get into it and get started with the game. Okay, so we are here in the favorite part of the show, for me at least, and I think everybody enjoys this. It's our gamified segment. And Ishan and Amrit, in today's episode, we're going to be playing a very fun game called Career Shots, but the Job Seeker edition. As everyone can see, we have shots placed right in front of Amrit and Ishan. The rules of the game are very simple. I'm going to be reading out certain career confessions or job search related mistakes and things that people generally do. If Ishan has ever committed those same mistakes when he was looking for jobs, you drink a shot. Amrit, if you have also done something similar, you drink a shot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you haven't, then you're safe and you don't have to drink these. Also, guys, these are not alcoholic shots. These are all non-alcoholic shots. We've got like Glucon-D and Coke and beetroot powder and stuff like that, which they're not going to enjoy as much. But yes, let's begin then. So let's get started. The first question that I have for the both of you is, have you ever had one resume file which was called final_updated_new.pdf, and have you sent that everywhere, like mass application?
Nahi.
Nahi?
You have?
Okay. One down.
You should not do that. Definitely not.
Ishan, anything you would like to?
Yeah, if a recruiter is reading that, obviously,
Yeah.
so he would know.
Yeah.
It's not professional in short.
Yeah.
It's obvious. I don't even need to tell it.
Once this happened to me, I had that travel industry वाला
वाला experience.
ready with me, and एक जगह पे मुझे resume भेजना था, तो मैंने WhatsApp पे accidentally वही भेज दिया.
Accidentally.
And I faced
Accidentally.
I was so embarrassed at that moment.
Yeah. So don't do that.
Haan.
Don't do that, guys.
Don't do that, guys. Don't.
Moving on, second situation is, I prepare for interviews only after I get shortlisted. Be honest, Ishan. This
This
even
I
I will
have.
have to drink on if I was there. Okay. You've done
ये
that.
तो सबने किया है.
सबने किया है.
सबने
But क्या ऐसा करना चाहिए?
Now you should not. Mock interviews के लिए इतना सब कुछ है. तो now
हाँ.
you should not. But हमारे टाइम पे तो सब यही करते थे.
Be prepared and prepare for the opportunity before it arrives.
True.
Yeah? Perfect. The third situation is, one day I apply to 50 jobs, then I disappear for 10 days.
Do I have to drink for everyone?
I don't know if it's applicable, you'll have
cheers. ये तो शायद ये भी सबने किया है. एक दिन motivation आता है तो सब लोग करते
to.
हैं.
करते ही हैं. मुझे लग रहा है शॉर्ट्स कम ना पड़ जाए. ठीक है. Okay. Moving on, the next situation is, I say I'm open to marketing, HR, sales, operations, strategy, content, and basically anything and everything.
No.
I feel like Amrit's going to go down on
Amrit
another.
needs my shots also.
Please give him
भेज देता हूँ
your
मैं.
shots too.
Not
You're
a bad
having a good
idea.
time.
Some-
Are you liking the taste of them?
Something, not much. Mix and match. No.
Okay. Moving on. I assume recruiters will understand my potential even if my profile is incomplete.
No.
No?
सब लोग सब कुछ डाल देते हैं. I feel.
पर आपकी प्रोफाइल तो इनकम्प्लीट ही थी हर जगह.
Profile incomplete, but I know कि.
बट आपको पता
हाँ,
है.
पता है.
ठीक है. अब तो वो अवेयरनेस बिल्ड हो गई है. Great. We are on to our last question for this segment. So everybody, all ears. I only look for full-time jobs and I ignore remote, freelance or project-based opportunities. I mean,
Nobody does that. I feel.
no, people do, yaar. Like, at least me personally, I wouldn't pay a lot of attention to freelance or remote jobs. I would consider a job to be only a full-time role. I don't know.
I'll say कि I
You
have
are doing
done
a
that in
freelancing.
past.
Yeah.
But not now.
So, आधा shot पी लो.
हाँ तो sure.
नया शॉट ले लो ईशान
नहीं,
से.
I was always open to everything and anything. मतलब
Then
बस
that's
कुछ भी
good.
करके पैसे आए, काम हो.
So
कुछ
you
सीन
were
हो.
always
Yeah.
okay. Then fair, perfect. पिया आधा shot.
हाँ, पिया, done.
Okay, perfect. So that was Career Shots, Job Seeker Edition. Thank you so much, Ishan and Amrit. And I hope with this, we've been able to again give some knowledge away in a fun manner for people to know what mistakes not to commit and why these are things you shouldn't do. Don't do it.
Don't do
Yeah.
it.
Okay, so with that, I think I'm glad that we were able to give you input on what you can change on your Naukri profile and how you can actually use it as a job search engine and not just as a portal where you're going and uploading your resume and applying for jobs, Amrit. Overall, I think if I ask you before and after, and Ishan, even you tell me, what do you think has significantly changed or can change the moment he updates his profile? Because earlier in the beginning of the episode, he had a very incomplete resume. It was not customized or updated. The profile was completely incomplete, and he was not using any of the other Naukri features other than uploading the resume and applying to jobs. So, any inputs on what changes do you think can you immediately see he will have in his job search process?
Yeah, I'll tell you one thing which I always feel is कि getting a job is not rocket science, to be honest. If we just focus on the basics, कि यार अमृत ने profile complete कर ली, there are so many good features that he can use. We have talked about it throughout.
Yeah.
मतलब दोबारा से if he just
Yeah.
go through resume making, mock interviews and all of that.
Yeah.
If he just focuses on completing the profile along with those features, he'll be getting majority of the good opportunities in the market, because हमको पता है कि basics पूरे करने हैं,
Yes.
हमको पता है कि market में jobs भी है, हमको पता है कि हम skills भी कर ही रहे हैं, complete degrees भी ले रहे हैं. So if you just do a combination of all these things together, before and after में यही है, that you just have to focus on the basics and keep doing it every single day. It's about discipline over motivation.
Yeah.
जितना वो करोगे, the higher the chances of you getting any good opportunity. So that is my key takeaway for everyone, not just Amrit. So ये मेरा plan रहेगा, जो भी ये देख रहा है उनके लिए खास करके. बाकी I think Amrit can tell us कि आपका क्या overall
हाँ.
idea रहा from this particular episode.
Okay, so my basic key takeaway is कि I know कि अब मुझे क्या क्या update करना है.
Exactly.
What else I need to show, and मतलब I really have to, you know, just add things to my resume. I have done a lot of things. I just have to add and show there.
Exactly.
That was my major key takeaway. बाकी I asked you questions like how to reach out and what niche should I choose and should I pick. So I have a good answer on that. Now I'll think about it.
Got it. And I think overall, whether it's updating your Naukri profile or updating your resume, the idea is it's not a one-time activity, right?
Exactly,
You
yeah.
cannot do it once and leave it. That's what most people do. You have to build a system around it, a workflow around it, and let things happen automatically on autopilot after a point of time, right? That's how you become a smart job seeker and not just a job seeker, right? Apart from that, I feel that it's very important to also showcase your work the right way, have work samples, have your profile updated, customize your resume as per each job role. Don't just send one resume everywhere, right? That's a very important thing.
Exactly.
And yeah, also don't always wait for opportunities to come to you. You have to keep preparing. Don't always think कि कल इंटरव्यू है तो आज मैं बैठ के AI mock interview preparation tool पे जाऊंगा and I'll prepare for interviews. No, you have to be ready and prepared before the opportunity arrives. That's what a smart job seeker does, right? If Amrit can already build his resume, can start preparing for interviews using the tool in advance and use invites as an advantage, you will be ahead of the crowd, right? So
Exactly.
that's my major takeaway for everybody in the audience. And yes, ultimately try and use a platform to its fullest potential. Don't look at Naukri or any other job portal just from a lens of applying for a job. Like you have Naukri 360, you have the AI resume maker, you have the mock interview preparation tool, you have invites, you can apply to remote jobs, you have a curated feed also called minis where you can learn and upskill, etc. So just explore
Exactly.
everything and use it to your full advantage. And with that, I hope that in this episode, all of you have been able to understand how to actually use Naukri to its full potential, build a profile that gets you hired, that gets noticed by recruiters, and how you can land opportunities rather than always going to opportunities, right? So how you can be more capable as a job seeker. Well, that's it for this episode. However, stay tuned. We have a lot more episodes lined up for you where there'll be a lot of candidates like Amrit coming in, sharing their genuine problems when it comes to job search. So that's it for this episode of Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room. Stay tuned, and before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Dhera Decodes channel. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much, Ishan, and thank you so much, Amrit.
Thank you.